What if you could make money while you sleep? In 2025, AI isn't just smart, it's your digital employee. From building businesses to selling digital products, AI is working for millions. And today, I'll show you 6 fresh side hustles powered by AI, no experience, no office, no boss. Stick around, number 6 is literally a goldmine right now. Welcome to Hustle with AI, your one-stop channel for making smart money using smart tools. If you're ready to turn AI into your side hustle partner, hit that like button and let's dive in. Start by offering AI-powered pitch decks or investor presentations. Use Tome app to create stunning slides from just a paragraph. Add custom designs using Canva. Market your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Even better? Charge $50 to $150 per deck and let ChatGPT do 70% of the writing. Next up, offer voiceover and podcast cleanup services. Use 11 Labs to generate celebrity-style voices or clone your clients. Use Descript to remove filler words, edit by text, and publish instantly. Thousands of creators want their audio cleaned, split, and posted across platforms. AI makes this process fast and profitable. Love reading? Turn that into cash. Use ChatGPT to summarize trending non-fiction books. Turn the text into a voiceover with Speechmas Ryan, then use Pictory to create visuals. Upload on YouTube as a faceless channel. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, and even ebooks. Create and sell Notion AI productivity templates. From content calendars to budget planners, these are hot sellers on Etsy and Gumroad. Use Notion AI to generate systems, designs, and instructions. Bundle, upload, and let sales flow. Use Leonardo AI or Daltimesy to create digital wall art, stickers, and coloring pages. Upload your designs to Etsy, Creative Market, or Payhip. Bonus: use Canva to make mockups and promotional material. This side hustle is great for passive income lovers, because once it's uploaded, it sells forever. Have knowledge to share? Build a course using ChatGPT for content, Chatbase for AI chatbots, and sell via Teachable or Podia. You don't even have to appear on camera, just slide decks plus voiceover. It's one of the most scalable businesses in 2025. Want to go big? Stack your hustles. Imagine Notion templates bundled into your AI course. Voiceovers used in book summaries. AI-generated art used in your presentation decks. Now you've got an entire income system, and AI runs the machine. That's a wrap. 6 AI side hustles you can start today with zero experience. Which one are you going to try? Drop a comment, subscribe for weekly tools, and let's hustle smarter with AI.